Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Serpwizz, and if you have been following this playlist, you would know what I'm gonna say next, which is if you want to check or if you want to have an awesome lead generation tool that allows you to check or allows you to have white label audits in your website, then you would want to go to serpwizz.com to see that tool for yourself. I will actually leave a link on the description box down below so that you can have a look at the free guide showing how Serpwizz is amassing thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So do go ahead and check that out, and without further ado, let's go ahead and discuss what I promised on the previous video, which is to talk about another extra tool that is being offered by SEMRUSH, and that is Prowly. So Prowly is actually a company by SEMRUSH as well, which deals with PR. So I know this is not entirely related with SEO, but I just want to give you like a quick look on what else is there aside from all the core tools that SEMrush offers. So one of those is actually Prowly. So here it helps you to make media relations simple. You can put in your business email address here and try it for free. It allows you to it gives you a free 7-day trial. You can cancel anytime or book a 15-minute demo with them. I just think that by having a look at all the other tools that is included with making an account with the SEMrush, it just gives you a better insight when deciding if you want a paid subscription with them or not. So we're just gonna breeze through this tool because, as I've mentioned, it's not entirely related with SEO, but just for the sake of having a look at it. So here it allows you to put all your PR work in one place. So this is an example of what it's gonna look like when you utilize Prowly. So you can find relevant media contacts. Let's see, create your press release, pitch your story, and track every single online mention, and publish press releases in a newsroom. So this is actually very interesting for me because this is a side of business that I haven't been exposed to. So this is very interesting for me, and I am learning as I go, like you guys are. So you can also manage your media contacts and create I've mentioned that, create PR reports. So it's suited for any PR agencies, in-house PR teams, small businesses, all of that. So it's a very flexible tool that you can use for anything PR related. And then it's actually a software so that you can, like I've mentioned previously, you can have access to for 7 days for free. Here are just some testimonials, and if you want to have a look at all these stories about how amazing this tool is, as mentioned by all the other users, then go ahead and head on over to serpwizz.com, or to semrush.com rather, and access this tool right there, where I've shown you earlier. But yep, that's it for this one. It's a free tool. You can sample for 7 days, so that's a good deal already on its own. So if you or your business are looking for a PR tool, then this is definitely one of the things that you should look for, and a great place to start. So yep, that is it for me today. Just wanna give you an insight about this tool, and also mention again that the lead generation tool that Serpwizz offer is amazing. So do check that out, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next video.